guys. Y'all some great. We thought you'd appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. You don't mind giving me over there. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
It's been a long man. Them motherfuckers, they work the shit out of you 6 days a week. God,